Hey, morning. It's another day. I'll be showing you how to multiply scientific notations. Scientific notations. Okay. The other day I showed you how to express a number into scientific notation. You can check the other video and you see how to express a number to scientific notation. But today I will be showing you how to multiply. Okay. So today I'll be showing you scientific notation, how to do the multiplication, how to multiply. Right? I'll start with an easy one. I like 2 times 10 to the power of 9 equals what? I will start with a simple one. Then I will show you how to do a big number, like multiplying 2 of this with another number right there, right? So stay with me. Let's start with this one. First of all is to open up the bracket or parentheses, as some people call them. I'll show you. You have to express each number. It's a multiplication number, so it doesn't matter. You have to express each number in here, 2 to the power of 4 and 10 to the power of minus 9 by 4 to the power of 4. So it will be 2 to the power of 4 times 10 is to the power of 9 to the power of 4. Right? You can take each number as the way it is. 2 to the power of 4 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's the same as 2 to the power of 4 is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This one is equals to, that is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Right? Then I simplify this one. Then it will be 10 of minus 9 to the power of 4 is the same as 10 of minus 9 times 10 minus 9 times 10 to the power of minus 9 times 10 minus 9. It's the same. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be the same as 4, 9 times 4. 9 times 4. So this will be 10 minus 9 times 4 is 36. That's how it will be. So I will write my number again as, let me write it here, 2 to the power of 4 times 10 to the power of minus 9 to the power of 4. Now I will substitute 2 to the power of 4 will be 16. 16 times 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 9 times 4. I substitute 2 to the power of 4 will be 16 times 10 to the power of minus 4 to the power of 4. I'll substitute with 10 to the power of minus 36. So your answer is equals to 16 times 10 minus 36. That's your answer. Okay. So now I'll go back to a big number. I'd show you how it is done. Okay. This will be example 1. Example 1. Right. We're gonna do example 2. So I have to erase this one. Example number 2. Right. So we're gonna do still in bracket 5 times 10 to the power minus 2 power of 3. And 4 times 10 to the power of minus 3, 6. Plus 1. When it is written like this, here it just means it is you are multiplying this number and this one. But sometimes they don't write it, they write it this way, but there's a multiplication sign here. You can put it in there, but it's not necessary. As far as you understand what this one means, when they go back to back, it means this one multiply with this one. Okay? First of all is to open up the parentheses, right? Or the bracket. Okay, so I open up the bracket. This is will be 5 times 3. It's multiplication, so it doesn't change. Then 10 minus 2, right? This will be times 3. Then there's more times 4 to the power of 6. 4 to the power of 6 times 10 minus 3 to the power of 6. Okay? So let me simplify this number again to make it easier. This is it will be 5 to the power of 3 times 10 minus 2 times 3, that is comes to minus 6 times 4 to the power of 6, 4 to the power of 6 times 10, 3 minus 3 times 6 is minus 18. Right? Hope you stay with me. Right? All the way. It's a tedious process. Then you can simplify this one. Right? 5 to the power of 3 is equals to 5 times 5 times 5 is equals to 120. That's it, 25 times 5, 25 times 5 is 125. Right? Then I will simplify this one. Right? 4 to the power of 6 is the same as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which I already calculated, is 4096 is 496. Now I substitute my numbers. I start with 5 to the power of 3 is 125 times. It's a multiplication, so I will group the numbers, that and this. I'll put them together. So as a substitute, 4 to the power of 6 is 4096. 4096 times 10 power of 1 minus 6 times 10 to the power of minus 18. I hope you're staying with me, right? Okay. If you remember the other video, you can check on it, how to express this number into notation form to make it easier to handle and to multiply these range numbers. Yeah, you can express this one into notation form. All you need is a number between 1 and 10. Expressed to between 1 and 10, I'd express into 10 to the power of that number, which you don't know, but I'll show you how to do it again. So to get a number between, out of this, to get a number between 10 and 1, the point can only be here, right? So I will go 1.25. I know it should be having 10 to the power of something. Now this is a positive number. It's a whole number, it's not a point. So you calculate your decimal point going this way, from right to left, facing the board. So I'll calculate mine. This is 1, 2. So I have 10 to the power of 2 times, I will do this one the same. Move my point from here. It is 4, right? Wanted to get a number between 1 and 10, my point can only be here. It can't be anywhere else. If I go here, that is 40, it's above 10. But this one now is 9. It's more than 5, so I'll have to make it 1. So this one comes to 0.1 times 10 to the power. How many points did I move? 1, 2, 3 to the power of 3. Right. Then I write the rest times 10 to the power of minus 6 times 10 to the power of minus 18. Right. Now I can be able to solve my number. Right? I already multiplied 1.25 times 4.1. I only multiplied the number is just to make it easier, is 125 times 4.1 is 5.125 times 10 to the power of what? Now here I have two positive, right? For multiplication, you add the power. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5 minus 6, because plus and multiplied by a negative is negative. So it's going to be minus 1 right? Therefore minus 1 plus minus 18, so is minus 19. So your answer should be A and S should be equals to 5.125 times 10 to minus 1 9. That's your answer. Okay. If you like my video and you like my teaching, share and subscribe. Share with as many people as possible so they can also learn. Okay? Share and subscribe. See you in the next video. I will be showing how to multiply a range number, to multiply and at the same time divide. To multiply and at the same time divide the notation numbers. Okay? Take care. See you in the next video.